Now separate the hair into 3 equal sections. Then farthest to the left and loop it over the section in the middle. Now loop the section farthest to the right over the section that's nearest to you. Now keep repeating this process until you've braided till your desire and tie the hair all together. Now it's time for a 4-strand braid. First, brush out the hair, which we already did in advance. Then separate the hair into 2 equal sections, farthest to the left. Take the first strand and loop it over the second strand. Now take the strand next to the second strand and loop it under that strand, and then loop it over the last strand. Now the strand that you started with should be the farthest to the right. Repeat this process with the same strand that's the farthest to the left, and continue doing so until you reach it.
Can't figure out how to put on. You need to put like a 2 tracks on top of each other.
Oh, so here, it's in on. Are you in on me?
It's time for a fishtail braid. Brush out the hair, which we again already did in advance. Take the hair from one of the sections.
Oh yeah, you asked.
All right, so are we all finished cutting out? Signal, please.
Now do the same thing with section 2. Now the 2 strands should make an X shape. Now the strand of hair that was originally part of section 1 should be part of section 2, and section 2 should be part of section 1. Continue this process until it...
Okay, so right now I see 2 people who have turned in their tutorial. You have to turn it in on Schoology. So how do you turn it in on Schoology? It's right here around the classroom. Okay, so you guys, you need to turn in. I mean, you need to turn it in.